In this tutorial, I want to teach you how to create a simple render and how to create a render that has a very high shadow particle. In this scene, we have a bright sun and a bright sky in a very simple and ordinary way. The first thing we have to do is to tell you how to work with the script, then I will tell you where to download it and how to install it and use it. So you will definitely see the next video. Just click on the script that I have activated, and a page opens for me. In this page, just click on the first option. Here we have a lot of options. For example, I click on this shadow once and it is enough to click on my scene again. See, here it brings me a tree that I can use as a shadow. Now if I come to the top and click on this transform part, I can rotate it here and I can scale it. Now, in this scene, I'm going to do a test. Now, we have a similar render. Now let's take a test to see how it is. See, the shadows are being added to my render. Now I can easily move my shadow to specify exactly where my scene is. And I can increase the detail of my work so that I have a final output that has enough detail in the light. Now how can we install it? I will put the link in the description for you. You can download it directly from our site and our channel. The installation method is also very simple and very easy. Click on the script and run the script. You download the script and click on it again. Now, to be able to bring it to your scene and to your toolbar, just go to the Customize section. Powered by Dappled. And direct it to a part of your toolbar that you want. That's how easy it is. Powered by Dappled.